Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to find followed posts. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is so let's say I go into this Discord and I go into this announcement channel. It's going to say follow. So what I do is I just press follow and I would select the server and the channel that I want this all to go to if I have a server. Now, if I press follow, every time that something's announced in this server, if I go to this channel now that I allocated it to, now I'll be able to track them all in here. And if you just keep them all in like the same channel, you'll be able to find all of your followed posts and things like that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.